Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to make a dynamic calendar in Microsoft Excel. This is really very simple. Without any coding you can create a dynamic calendar. First let's see how it works. So I am going to select the month, changing the year. So see, the entire dates are populating in the calendar depending upon the same upon my selection of month and year. So this calendar has some backend settings which I have kept in hidden columns, like in column A, and also in column M, N and O, right? So let's start creating a new dynamic calendar in a fresh worksheet. So I am going to create another blank Excel. Now I am creating the backend settings for months. I'm writing down the month's name under M column, dragging till December. Now I am putting the index numbers of these months name. Now I am putting the year under the O column. So I am starting from 2000, year 2000 till 2025. You can extend it as per your need. So I'm taking it till 2025. Okay, so now I'm creating two drop downs, one for the one for selecting the months and one for selecting years. So I'm going to data validation. Here I am selecting list. Source will be month's name and press OK. So here you can see all months names are populated. So I am going to select current month name, that is November. Now in this cell E2 I am going to fetch the years. So again I am going to data validation, selecting list. The source I am selecting 01 to 026. Now here you can see all the years are populated. So I am going to select 2018, which is the current year. So now I am going to fetch certain backend settings, like the first date of the selected month and year, last date of the selected month and year, and also today's date. So let's create them. I'm writing a formula like date. Here I have to select the year. Then for month I cannot select the month name because date formula only feeds month index and not the month name. So I am using a formula like VLOOKUP, selecting the month name from here, searching the month index from M to N, and getting willing to get the value from second column of the selected table, and then 0 is for false. Now for day I am always taking 1. So here it is. Now I'm going to get the last date of the selected month and year. Start date will be this and offset will be 0. Let's format it in date format. Now I'm writing the today formula, open bracket, close bracket, get the current date, right? So now I am writing all the weekdays name. Sunday, Monday, till Saturday, right? So for the first row of this calendar, I'm going to create a unique formula, that is if text of going to freeze it, is equal to Sunday then it will show first date. Again, if this cell not is equal to blank, then this cell plus 1, else it will show blank. So this formula is only applicable for the first row of the calendar. For the second row, there are two formulas, one for the age of the calendar and another formula is for the rest of the parts of the calendar. So here I am writing if this date less than going to freeze it the last day, then it will add 1 with this date, else it will show blank, right? And for the rest, if this cell less than the last day of the month, then it will add 1 day with the prior date, else will show blank. So here it is. So initially everything is coming under general format, but we will change them, the formatting. So here it is. I am going to select the entire calendar and going to change the formatting. Custom DD. DD means 2-digit date format. So here it is, center aligning, then making the headers bold, changing the color. So let's change the color afterwards. So we are first going to highlight today's date, right? So we are selecting the date fields and then applying conditional formatting. New rule: format only cells that contains cell value equal to today's date. Then the format will be outline and yellow. For Sunday I am selecting reddish color. And for Saturday as well I am selecting reddish color, and for the rest of the weekdays I am selecting greenish color. All border overs. Here the calendar is ready. Now I am going to hide column A, column from M to O, and also making the column width 18th. So these are merely the formatting. You can do anything else with this. Making the font size a little bit bigger. So now you can see I can change the month and the calendar will be automatically updated with the dates, right? So what is the use of this calendar is you can insert this type of calendar in your daily reports, and you can do lots of things using formulas with this calendar. So please let me know if this is helpful or not, and please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.